Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Delta Airlines gift cards, whether you've received one as a gift or you're using saved credit for your next trip. Knowing how to properly redeem these gift cards will make your booking process smooth and hassle-free. Let's walk through this together. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. This is Delta's official website where you'll manage everything related to your bookings and gift cards. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look around the navigation menu at the top of the page. You're searching for an option labeled gift cards. When you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed to handle all gift card related activities, from purchasing new ones to redeeming existing cards. After clicking on gift cards, give the page a few seconds to fully load. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a moment, so just be patient while everything appears on your screen. Once the page has loaded completely, you'll see various options related to gift cards. Look for the gift cards section again and click on it, then from the available options, select frequently asked questions. This is where Delta provides detailed guidance on common questions and processes related to their gift cards. Now that you're in the frequently asked questions section, you'll need to locate the specific question that addresses gift card redemption. Scroll through the list of questions until you find the one that says, "How do I redeem a Delta gift card?" Click on this question to expand the answer. Delta will provide you with step-by-step instructions on exactly how to apply your gift card during the booking process. This typically involves entering your gift card number and PIN during checkout when you're purchasing a flight. If you'd like to explore more information about the redemption process or have additional questions, I recommend scrolling down through the rest of the page. Delta often includes helpful tips, troubleshooting guidance, and detailed explanations about how their gift cards work. You might find information about checking your gift card balance, understanding expiration dates, or learning what types of purchases you can make with your gift card. Taking a few extra minutes to read through this information can save you time and confusion later. And there you have it. You now know exactly where to find the information you need to redeem your Delta Airlines gift card. The process is straightforward once you know where to look, and Delta's FAQ section provides all the guidance you need to use your gift card confidently during your next booking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.